Welcome back to I Got It Out to the Soil. And today is going to be a short video. It's just going to be a motivational clip. The reason being is that the second part of the clip that I filmed of my garden bed, me moving the tomato tree around, attempt to pull the tomato tree out, cleaning out the garden bed a little bit. Something went on with the phone and the sound wasn't recorded, and I was talking and giving my little motivational speaking, describing what I was doing. So I'm gonna have to find a way to kind of tweak that. So that's gonna be like a later video. Now I'm just gonna hit y'all with a motivational clip. So stay tuned. Here's the next clip. When I tell y'all I love nature, oh my God, it's nothing more beautiful than the growth. Make sure y'all always trust in the process, because what seed you plant will produce a beautiful crop tomorrow. And that's for in gardening and in life. Your thoughts are the seeds. And if you water them, the thought is the seed. But if you continue to pay attention to that thought, that is the water. You continue to water that thought, you will manifest whatever your thoughts are. Your thoughts do turn into actions. And if you continue to consistently do an action over and over again, or have a thought over and over again, you will produce a manifestation, good or bad, even if you believe in it or not. Just trust the process. And just like these beautiful marigolds right here that grew big and strong, they're even beautiful. They're even more beautiful. Look at them. I love them. I love nature, y'all. This is the beauty of it. Look at that. It came from a small seed. One seed. Look how strong and beautiful it is. Trust the process. It's coming, baby. That manifestation is on the way. Be patient. Be consistent. And don't ever stop watering. Don't ever stop believing. You can do it. I am a walking manifestation myself. Okay? Going through the trials and tribulations that we call life taught me a few lessons and gave me a few blessings. Well, abundance blessings. Okay, look at this. I love nature. It's nothing more peaceful than coming out into your garden and seeing what the seed had produced, what crops that grew big and strong. Today I was gonna pull this tomato right here. I try to pull this tomato right here. It said, hell no, I won't go. You better do something else. You better think about it. So I thought about it. I said, you know what? I need a clearing for my garden bed right here. Guess what I did? She said, baby, I got you. Just turn me around. And I'm going to be quite well. Cut a couple branches off. Turn me around. And I got you. I'm standing tall, though. I'm too strong for you to pluck me. Indeed she was. Okay, indeed she was. So this is what you can produce. And even the broken. Okay, I know I sound like I'm preaching. Even the broken still have growth. Look at that. This branch is broken. Look at this. Look at this flower, y'all. It's still producing. The broken is producing as well. Okay, don't count the broken out, baby. Because they still have some power. They still have growth. Just trust the process. Okay? Do it broken. Do it scared. Whatever you want to manifest, do it. Do it scared. Do it broken. Because just like this broken marigold right here, it's still producing the flowers. Still have buds. And I was going to finish cutting it and pull it out. But guess what? It said, oh no, baby. I still got some life in me. Just trust the process. Be patient. I'm going to do what I do, baby. And guess what? It grew beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flowers. Even the broken have life. Don't count them out, y'all. And that's it. Okay, now that you've seen that clip, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you will know every time I drop the video. And make sure y'all are sharing the content with your friends and family, because sharing is caring and it's free. That does help the content creators out a lot. So please make sure if you click on this video, you give me a like, you share the video as well. Okay, I would like to thank you for that in advance, and until next time, peace. I'll see you in my next video.